This place is always busy.
Yes, that means the coffee is good.
I come here often. Their caramel latte is my favorite.
I just ordered a caramel latte.
Great choice, you will like it.
Do you come here every day?
Almost every morning.
That's nice.
Do you come here every day?
I usually make coffee at home.
I like the quiet atmosphere. Home coffee is good,
Yes,
but sometimes cafe.
and it's nice to have a change.
Coffee is better. Do you work nearby?
No, I work from home.
Oh, me too. I work in digital marketing.
That's interesting.
Wow, our jobs are connected. Do you like working from home?
I am a content
Same here, that's why I come to cafes.
writer.
It helps me focus. Home is full of distractions.
Yes, marketing and content go together.
Do you always order a caramel latte?
Most of the time. But sometimes I get a cappuccino.
Cappuccino is nice. I like lattes more.
Yes, but sometimes it feels lonely.
No, I've never had matcha before. I will try it next time.
That's a great idea.
Oh, I love muffins. Maybe I'll get one too.
Maybe I should do that too.
Nice. What are you watching?
Sometimes I just want a new environment.
Sounds interesting. I'll check it out.
Have you tried their matcha latte?
Yes, mostly in the evening. It helps me relax.
It's really good.
Exactly. What do you like to watch?
If you like green tea, you will enjoy it.
Oh, I like crime shows too, the suspense.
They also have a really good blueberry muffin. It's my favorite.